The SCYInterview tool helps you design a good interview schema by offering a step-by-step approach to forming interview questions and by offering advice on how to prepare for and conduct the interview. To create a new empty interview, click on the four-pointed star and select Interview. Double-click on an interview icon in an activity space to open an existing interview. The tool window is divided into 3 panes. The navigation pane outlines the steps in the process of an interview schema and is used to navigate through the process of creating an interview schema and finding information about how to prepare and conduct an interview. In the top right information pane, information about how to carry out the various steps is displayed. The bottom pane is where you enter your different information. When the tool is first opened, a text and 2 trees are visible on the left side of the window. Home, Prepare the interview, and Conduct the interview. Click on a step, and related information will show in the information pane. The Home step contains a message explaining what the tool is for and gives an overview of preparing an interview and conducting an interview. When you click on Prepare the interview, 3 sub-steps are visible. Research questions, topics, and design. Information about how to ask a good research question can be found under the Research Questions step. For example, a research question should address a specific topic, be clearly stated, and it should not have been answered before. Below this information, you will find some examples of research questions that fulfill these criteria. These questions will help you formulate your own research question. An example of good research question and how to enter it is: which are the most environmentally friendly material to use in construction of buildings for living? Next, one needs to expand the research question by adding a number of topics relevant to the research question. In the topic, we need information about window. Click the Add button and enter the topic in the window that opens. Click OK when finished. For example, relevant topics for our research question include material production, efficiency of use, and reusability. When finished, enter topics, click Next, and a new tab, Topics, appears, and a list of the entered topics is visible. Enter the relevant topics in the Topics we need information about pane. Relevant topics might be material production, efficiency of use, and reusability. And they are entered in the pane titled Topics we need information about by clicking the Add button, entering topic in the window that appears, and clicking OK. When you are done with adding topics and click Next, a new step called Topics will be added in the pane on the left side, and the topics you entered will be visible under it. In the Design tab, your research question and topics will be displayed in a schema that you finalize in this tab. To finalize the schema, you complete the instruction that has been begun for you. Refine the questions and arrange them in the order that you want. I'll leave the order as it is here. Basic text editing options are available, and the interview schema can be printed out and taken with to an interview. You can also save it as an RTF file on your computer. By clicking the symbol in the top right corner of the schema pane, you can maximize or minimize the pane depending on your current view. Advice about how to prepare for an interview can be found under the Conduct the Interview step. This includes advice about the importance of a good preparation and advice for how to actually prepare for the interview. Advice about how to conduct an interview can be found under the Recommendations step. For instance, one finds example ways of taking notes and a tip of the importance of being aware of your body language.